Bonjour les garçons. So, in the video of today, I would like to explain to you les relatifs composés. Les relatifs composés, something that is pretty hard to explain, but in order to make it easier, I am going to just start from a mistake. So, sorry, that's not the mistake. That's actually the correct way. So here is the mistake. If you want to say something like, the girl I am dancing with, many people will be tempted to write it like this. La fille je danse avec literally means the girl I am dancing with, right? In French, you cannot write this. We are going to have to use relatif composé. What does this mean? This simply means that we're going to use lequel right here. And this is going to be la fille avec laquelle je danse. As you can see, lequel changes if the word is feminine. Because fille is feminine, we say la fille avec laquelle je danse. The girl I am dancing with. Okay? So every time you use prepositions such as avec, to dance with someone, to talk with someone, dans, to live in a house, to, okay, whatever, in, pour, à, sur, and all the others, you're going to use a construction like this. I'm going to give you another example. So example number 2 is going to be the chair I'm sitting on, right? The chair I am sitting on. In French, the verb is to be on a chair, right? The chair I am on. So normally it's supposed to be être sur une chaise, right? And because we have that preposition right here, we are going to say la chaise sur, chaise is feminine, laquelle, la chaise sur laquelle je suis is green et verte. Okay? Something that simple. So this is how we use relatif composé. This is a far easier way than what I explained to you in class, I hope. Now, let's take a look at the formation of this, the formation of the relatif composé. So basically, you need to start from lequel, which is the masculine. If we use a feminine, it is going to be laquelle, of course, double L-E. Plural, we have two plural. We have the masculine plural, which is lesquels, and the feminine plural, which is going to be lesquels, double L-E-S. Okay? And normally, before this, you will have the prepositions dans lequel, dans laquelle, dans lesquels, sur, and opposite, of course, so sous. You're going to have avec, and opposite, sans. You're going to have pour, etc., etc. Now, there are two that are a bit different. Why? Because when you use them, they will be affixed directly to the word. Let me show you. So, if I use a and de, this is a different story. Why? Because when using a and de, the two words combine with le give you this au and du. So à lequel does not exist. Instead, we're going to have auquel, like this. And de lequel does not exist either. Instead, we're going to have duquel. If we use the feminine, this is not a big deal because à la does not change. À la remains the same, separate, and de la also does not change. However, if I have to use de les, keep in mind that de les is de. So desquels, ls, desquels féminine, double L, es. I'm going to write a few more sentences so you understand how to use it and what it would mean. Just write a few examples. First example with pour. Easy. Apple, the company. Apple est une société. Apple est une société pour laquelle Apple est une société pour laquelle je voudrais travailler, right? Apple is a company I would like to work for. See, so in French, the pour does not go at the end of the sentence. The pour will go right here. Another example. I'm going to use a and I'm going to use movie, right? So masculine. Le film auquel tu penses, right? Because we think about a movie. We think about a movie in French. So the movie you're thinking about. Le film auquel tu penses. Assuming I forgot the movie's name, right? So I'm saying, my friend is asking me, the movie you are thinking about came out in 2011, right? Le film auquel tu penses est sorti en 2011, non? See? And once again, I will not put pense à here. Instead, I'm going to have my preposition right before, unlike English. Le film auquel tu penses est sorti en 2011, non? The movie you are thinking about came out in 2011, right? Okay, so these were two examples. I hope it was clear enough for you to understand. And if it is, I suggest you complete all, so we've done a few in class, but I suggest you complete in writing all the exercises of page 145 about relatif composé. Merci les garçons. Au revoir.